Hey guys, welcome to the new game. It's called The Farmer Was Replaced. So this game, I love it. It's involving coding. Yeah, coding in Python. And if you don't know Python, you in danger. Get it? Python, snake, Python. Okay. So this game is like you have to code something so that you move the drone around and you harvest things like grass and carrots and pumpkins and stuff. But it's involving a lot of algorithms. So let's see what happens. So let's start with the first program. Don't tell me that hello world. I'm gonna delete this game. Okay, no, it's not like that. So you have a text editor. This is a text editor. Okay, I call it function because it's named function. Okay. Text editor actually is a file. Okay, you create that. You create a file in your inventory. So the first thing first, you have to harvest. So just write harvest and then click. And then if you do that, then you're not gonna harvest. Then it's not efficient. So you're gonna harvest a lot of non grass. So you have to do a flip, and then you do harvest. Okay. So do a flip means you waste like you're not wasting. You wait for 1 second, and then you do a harvest again. So that's how you do. So do flip, harvest, so that you can wait for the grass to grow up, and then you boop, and then you know. But this one is so bored. I think I'm gonna copy and do 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the top one of 5. So you do flip, coop, do flip, kush, do flip, kush, you do flip, kush, you do flip. Yeah. So that's how it is. So we have to get more stuff so that we can unlock the first thing of the list, which is the loop. Yes. So let's turn off this. Is that back button? Shoot. Let me see a little bit here. So we have external editor. What is that? Is that VS Code? Yeah. Oh wow. You can do VS Code here. So that's good. VS Code is the best for coder, for programmer to use. Okay, if you are a programmer, you know what I'm saying. So it's a program that you can edit a bunch of stuff. Like you can make website, you can make phone, you can make apps, you can make anything over there. So that's the professional way to make things. Like a lot of people use VS Code, and even Apple's developer use VS Code for it. But you have to build a lot of stuff so that you can use it. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna break through the game. Okay. And a bunch of from file and import output. No. I'm not gonna follow this. It's so tired. Okay. So let's go and see what else. Comments. So comments is really important in coding, because if you don't comment like this, you don't comment like do something. Comments is help for your co-workers coming in, and they're like, oh, this guy worked, this guy like finished this, so we have to finish the other one. They can read whatever you did, and then they proceed the next thing. You know what I mean? Like, and comments is help for separate things, so like that. And people will follow it. Usually tech lead will do that comments, and also the things others developer has to do it. So let's talk about loops. We have 2 type loops. Okay. I know I turned into a lecture, but you have to know what it is before you go in. So the first loop is 2 type. Okay, the first loop is while loop, which is here, right? You have to have a condition, you have to break condition, all kinds of stuff. So and while loop, you have 2 loops, 2 type loops. Okay. One is I call this conditional loops. Okay, which is you have to match to the condition so that the loop will activate. You know what I mean? And the second thing is infinite loop. So which is always true. So it's always activate. You know, this is the two type of while loop, but second type of loop is for loop. So for loops, we don't have two type of for loops. We just have a combination of both of them. Condition and also infinite loop. You can make that into infinite loop if you want to, but usually for loop we use condition a lot. We don't use infinite loop. But while loop you can do infinite loop, or you can switch back and forth. So I said a combination of infinite loop and conditional loop. So but for loop we use for different things like grid, moving around, swapping, all kinds of stuff. So we use for loop for that, for the inner of the program. While loop used to more like a data structure, more like kind of like using data structure and using algorithm, more like that, because it's easier to detect what to count, and then you can break that count if you don't like it, if or automatically break that count if certain type of condition that you have to set, right? For loop on the other hand, you have to you have to set the beginning, and you have to set the condition, and you have to set the the increment or the decrement, those kinds of stuff. So I love coding. So I just give you a little bit of these so that you can understand a little bit. I think my theory is wrong, okay, but this is what my simple mind is. So I understand like that so that I can do whatever I want. So some people has a different way, like professional way to do it, but I'll do it this way. So variable. Yes, variable is important too, but not happening now. So we gotta tap on that later on, because right now I need to work on the loop first. Then we gotta tap on each of the tackle. It's gotta be a full episode, so don't worry. So this way is so boring, right? Yeah, you're just like one by one, do the flip. Just do engineer is always about laziness. So you have to think about something that you can make you feel lazy and also people feel lazy about it. So it's not like we don't want to do the work. We do the work so that we just sit back and relax and wait for some new ideas coming up and build it. So there we go. So infinite loops. We have to make an infinite loop, right? But we have to break it down, this problem. So if you want to loop all the way, right, you don't need to like copy and paste that redundant, right? So you have to make a loop, infinite loop, right? Run forever without stop. Okay. So it's fairly easy. You just while loop true. True means infinite loop, right? And then you harvest and do a flip. Yeah, that's all. And then it's run forever. You don't need to click, click multiple times. So there we go. Let's sit back, relax, and see what happened. So I'm gonna log the speed. So yeah, I'm gonna log the speed, and speed gave you checking. Okay. All right. If else. Okay. If else statement. So conditional statement. So a conditional loop different than conditional statement. Okay. So the conditional statement. Sorry, I'm gagged up. Oh my god. It's you set it up for decisions like decision, like for example, if I can do this or not. That's it. That's yeah, simple things like that. So so the conditional in real life program in Python. Okay, so in any language actually, two type. Yeah, just introduced to you if you are interested, but if you don't, then just skip this. So two type, and this one is switch. That's the first one. Switch is it's really easy, but nobody use it. Sometimes they use it for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? And then the other type is if else or elif. I think there's only this programming language can use elif, but other than that, I don't think elif exists. I guess there's a lot of programming like said else if, not elif. You know what I mean? This one, Python, is kind of like for lazy people. So not insulting, but that's what it is. So switches, you have to have cases, you have to have default. So default means whatever the case is not the case, then you default, which is a default mode. Yeah, basically like that. Logic, right? Yeah, like Monday, you have case on Monday, and then you yada. I don't wanna something right, but if it doesn't met the condition, in that case, then it go back to default. Yeah, that's it. So we have to think about this type of thing. So harvest is like, I think is return, whatever number of items in this case. So do a flip, just do a flip. You just wait for 1 second. Yeah, and you wait for 1 second for the grass just grow, and then you do that. So if you do this, you have to add like if harvest, if can harvest, then you don't need to do the flip. Like if can harvest, and then you make sure that indents in. So tap to indents. Okay, tap is indent. Don't space, just tap. Okay, so there we go. Function call yada harvest yada. Right, there we go. Okay, let's unlock something. Yeah, let's unlock planting. Yes. Planting is only works. I think works for everything, but right now I just want to plant bushes, and then we have to do something about the soil and spoiler alert. Okay, soil and other stuff like like grassland or soil land. You have to tilt it or whatever. But now I really want to plant a tree or bushes. It's at bushes first, right? Yeah, bushes. So let's do this. Let's do harvest. Then if can harvest, then do harvest. Maybe clear, and then do a plant that. I think plant has to be outside, and then, but if I put outside, then I might get drunk. Okay, no, just kidding. So you planted, you had to put something here. I just do entries is object or something. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I failed. I planned, then I harvest it, so that's killing it. Doesn't do any good. So change. So I unlocked a expansion. So expansion is really good. You can move, while I'm running a lot cycles. There's no cycles, but I assume that I have cycles. Okay. So we just plan like this. It's not gonna help, right? So if you move, you can extend little time, and also you can harvest efficiently. Okay, but right now you see it just stay one spot. But once you expand, you have to consider to move. So I love to clear stuff in front, or like everybody do, clear and then do, clear then do, right? So since we move, we can move north. Yeah, so north is go up, south is go down, east, west, you know what it is. East has to be go right, and west is left. So I just yeah, if harvest, then we do harvest, and then if not, then we just move up and down, and until we got, you know, some bushes grown, and then we can harvest. Because, you know, it's really irritated, but I really want to harvest bushes and grass, you know, at the same time. So I have to figure it out stuff. So, but right now, we need expansions. Yes. Now we can use for loop. Yay! Okay. So, I don't know what to do. So, just harvest some stuff and then read through this, and then I'll be back. I don't know. I need more. I have to. Oh, census. Maybe I. Do I? Yeah. Okay. So census is detected
2,000 years later.
X and Y. Okay, X and Y position, current position. There we go. And then we can do what's that? Entities. Ooh, we can detect entities too. So that's greaty layly mother faces. I don't know what that means, but can you translate it to me? Thank you. You're welcome. Is it a position in bed? No. Okay. So sorry. I need to add something. Well, you run like this, it's gonna make things worse. But once we have like 9 grid, we have to figure it out, some stuff. So let me write it down. I don't want to go line by line, and it makes you a little bit sleepy. So I'll be back. So I run a lot of time, and I need to open a. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, I need lists, but list down here. God dang it. Tree, not tree like tree. Okay, so I need operator. So let's kill that. Okay, so I just need to explain it really fast for you guys. So first of all, you have to figure it out, you know, X and Y. X is the horizontal, and Y is the thing that go, you know, up and down. So you have to figure it out that, and then I just want to harvest some stuff. So I harvest like 4,000 something. So I have to speak so fast, and so luckily I am so frustrated in speaking. Now I have to figure it out which position. So if it's position in X, I have to loop it again, and if it's X is X and currently, then I have to move you know, north, and if it's different, then I have to move south. So the same thing as Y. So Y, you have to change it you know, accordingly. So if you don't want to go west, and you go left, and you go right, you go east, you go right, so whatever. But I have an issue that you know, let's go round, and doesn't harvest stuff for me, and I hated to speak so fast, and I don't know what the heck in my mind. But now I figured it out, and it's run like crazy. But now I have to run through, and then you know, infinite loops, so that I don't need to click, and click, right? Oh my god, but then I forgot one thing, so I have to, you know, like do some return back to the 0 position. So 0 position, which means you have to go west and south. So one more thing that I have to point it out, and it is the you know, X and Y has to you know, not like, you know, the while loop. So yeah, you have to, you know, differentiate it, like if it's not Y then move, if it's equals to, then, you know, but it has to be not Y or X to move, okay, because otherwise it's gonna stay the same. Now I have to figure it out, the bushes. So I want to plant bushes and grass at the same time, but then you know, I have to figure it out to plant them, and then I have to figure it out to you know, harvest them as they were, like as they or grass or bushes I had to wait, grass I had to harvest like twice. I figured out. So if you have those, you can you know, if you have these entity bushes and grass, you can harvest it and do a flip so that you know, you have more time to do that. Also, if you are not, well, you equal to grass. Okay, if you are equal to grass, then you plant bushes, and or else you just, you know, plant grass. So it worked perfectly, but not perfectly like I wanted to. I want to harvest, so I have to figure it out, harvest grass, because you know, when you collect or when you harvest bushes, you have grass up, right? So I might harvest twice. Yeah. So, see. Yeah. There we go. We got some, which you know, we got some, both of them. You know, I wanted just one. It's boring. Okay. So, do you think I have to upgrade grass yield or expansion? I don't know. Let me think. I think, yeah, I think grass, because grass is so slow to grow, you know. So just a couple of time. Okay, that's good. I could do debugs. Yes, I could do debugs. So that I can debug a little bit. These I don't need it anymore. But debugs, you just click on the side, and then you have debugging when you run. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's like VS Code. They have the same things. You can detect line by line by clicking in it like this. You see, and yeah, it shall stop. Stop right there, and then if you proceed, just go ahead and proceed. That's all this. Yeah, so just delete. Just click it back. There we go. Yeah. Oh, and there's one more thing. Print. Yes. Once you if you do printing like that, just, oh yeah, I'm done the east, I'm done the west. Yeah, you know, it's fun, and they have like a debug you know, logs and stuff, so you can try to looking at, because that's help to you know, finding problems. Like for example, you run that and then it doesn't print this, something happened to it, right? So you have to fix it you know, before or after. You just put everything in here, and then it just show you like the drone just like farted out or something. Did I say fart? Yeah, I say fart. Okay, yeah. So you see what happened. So I think I'm gonna unlock courage. Courage. Yeah, I have some courage in myself. Was that, is it Irish, or I just made it up, like carrot, but then I said courage. Wow, sound the same. A little bit twists. That's cool. I like it. I'm gonna put in a song. Yeah, I'm a carrot. Yeah, I'm a courage. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. But there we go. You have to tilt it so that you have soil, and then you do it. Ooh, nice. Yep, so before you tilt it, you have to have seed. So where you get seed? Well, you can see in your mind. No, I'm just kidding. You have to trade it. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? Like it's easy, right? Just trade it. So whatever you want to trade, you have to take a look, okay? So usually you trade and then you said items and it said yeah, it had a tab for you, so you can select carrot of the Caribbean. You say carrot of the Caribbean. Wow, this movie is gonna be a rabbit movie. What? Rather than pirate movie. Get it? What the? No, no, no. Okay, never mind. My joke is weird. So, yeah, and you have to trade, and we have to make a function for it later on. But I need to make sure that it's gonna trade forever, so that we have a massive amount of that carrot seed. Okay, I figured it out that I had to ejaculate everywhere. Trade everywhere. Yeah, trade everywhere. Just like King Jong said in Community. I love that show so much. You know, I masturbate everywhere. You know. Yeah, let me run it for a while and see what happens. So I'm thinking of adding, you know, soil and stuff so that you know, I can harvest some carrot because I have 200 seeds. So yeah. But I don't know. I had to separate it out like real hard because this is if I make it, wait, let me scratch my nose. Okay, if I make it like this, it's gonna make everything looks dirty, you know, like looks not organized. So I had to figure it out a way like you know, separate it out to function or something. So let me go back and do it, and I'll show you the code. I don't mind anymore. So I separated out the turf and the soil, and let me see, it's working. Oh, and by the way, I didn't tilt it. No, I have to tilt it. Yep, I have to tilt it. Oh no. I felt it in my bones that I have to tilt it because I didn't write any tilt function. Just do a loop. Oh no. Okay, it stopped. Yeah, that's the thing. No, it stopped because I put debug. Oh god. Tilt it. Yes, right here. I have to tilt it. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. Me. I think I'm gonna. No. Okay. I think I'm gonna upgrade this, but no. Or expand. I can expand too. Wow. These. Oh, okay. Okay. These are really good, but I have to upgrade everything first. Then I'm gonna go move forward, right? So, right now it's working. Harvest twice. Get that. Get wood. But too slow, and I get less here. I get less wood here, so I need to figure it out how to plant carrot too. I have to tilt it, but I don't have enough wood. Let me try this so that I can. No. Let me figure it out. I'll be back. Okay, so I figured out something over here. So it's fairly easy. You just separate about you know, soil and turf, and then just plant them, harvest them, harvest the grass. Oh, I forgot, harvest grass. So plant them and then tilt them. So tilt right after actually you you harvest the yeah, there we go. There we go. Then you plant these. And then you harvest it. But I hate this way because first of all, it's the carrot is not fully grown. So once you harvest it, it doesn't do any good. So I have to judge a little bit here. So the code is fairly easy. You have to check turf or soil, either way, right? And then you have to check either as bushes or grass. You just do harvest and do a flip so that it have more time to grow or fully grown. Then you go down to grasses and bushes, and if it's bushes, then harvest it and tilt at the same time. If it's grass, then just plant it. This one is this piece of code is just boring. Yeah, it's just boring. So and it's slow. So I have to figure it out something for now. This is just quite workout, but I don't think this one is efficient because I waste a lot of carrot, yeah, and time to do this. Okay, let's upgrade variable. Let's have some variable because I need variables right now to store whatever I needed it. Yeah, add that one more time and expand. Yeah, I do. And then grass, I do this, and then I do that. One more time. One variable. Yeah. Variable is just easy. Just write a name that you want to call, or you have to find something that it's just boringly or long that you want a shortcut like that. So carrot, then you said entry something, right? So or current daycare or something, I don't know, but just write something short, and then this is equals to the thing that you want. So current X position and then current Y position is too long. I might change it, but right now I just demonstrate. So it will get the position beforehand, and then it add into that name, okay, the name in front. So current X position Y, and then you can use that for everywhere. So you don't need to write like get position X, and then you have to all kind of sign. It's just boring. It's not boring, it's just tired. Okay, just add these stuff and then use them. And I don't know, they have global or locals, like you have to some programming, you have to decide which one is global, which one is locals. Locals you can use in locals, like inside the loop, outside means globals, but global is more like that, like broad things, like broad daylights, like everybody can see it, but locals, like some people has to go inside a company and then unlock certain thing and see it. So that's local. So then you have to change a lot of them. You have to change all of them to into your variable. Variable doesn't have any slowdown or anything. It just store for you, and then you just use it accordingly. You don't need to like right along. Sometimes you don't need to use that much variable, but I just make sure that my code readable, so use that. But variable very important in certain way. Like for example, there's some BFFs. It's a data structure. Is an algorithm that you run for the tree. You find the shortest path. You all kinds of that for graph, for everything. So that's the algorithm, right? You have to use, you know, mostly to store some array of things, and then execute it as a queue. Okay, queue stack is different too, so you have to learn all of that to become a software engineer or computer science or whatever. But you have to know. But you have to know like by heart. Like these stuff are important. So I just want to get back to this and make changes, and I'll be back. So I figured I didn't have a function, so I had to let's see, let's upgrade this. Let's upgrade a little bit of the speed. Yes, let's upgrade. No, I have no pumpkin, so nope. You no. I really need a tree. Okay, that's fair. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do this now. I will, but I really need function because I need to separate things. Okay, so I need function real bad. Yep, let's do function. So usually function has to go into a file only. So the one board is a file right here. This is a file. It's not a function. Okay, I just make a mistake, but treat them like a function. So you have to create. Yeah, you have to click on the plus sign and create this site, and it's stickable. So whatever you do, just stickable. Okay. I want to put here. So let's do a function called this is called main, right? And I want to get this part here, right here, the whole part out of the way. So I think this is the way. This is the part of movable. Okay, so I'm gonna name it let me see. I'm gonna name it so before you have to do anything, you have to change the name. So first you have to do the reset position. So I got a part down here, remember, like a tail, like down here. So you just make it as a function, and then you just function call it. You're just calling it, you know, like reset position. You see it's pop out, and then you have to have like parentheses, because you see the function name, right? Like def reset position, and then parentheses, right? You have to put parentheses in there. And if you add some parameter like this, you have to put parameters in, so that it's gonna call the function, and it works. You know, let's go. Yeah, that's gonna be long, so I'm gonna skip this one and see what happened. So let's go here, and it has to go return, right? So return, and then do that, boop, 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 right? And then return back, and then do that. So it's working. It's working. It's functioning. So I have to do several things more, so that it shortened the main function, and it's easier for you guys to work on. So you focus on one function at a time, and you don't miss anything. You know what I mean? Like you have to divide and conquer. That's in programming. That's in software engineering, professional software engineering. Doing that, you have to break the problems. into pieces like this one, right? I want separate things for the soil. I want separate things for the turf. I want to move, so I have to separate it out. So be patient. I'll do that in the flash. So I guess I'm gonna get the total square, and then I just return time it up, you know, twice. So square, because square you time that number, the parameter twice. So return, and then the parameter time the parameter itself. So that's what it is. And yeah, and I don't know the function for the whole grid, so I just make it myself. So you can make anything for yourself. So you just put right here, and then you put n in there, so you know, so that you have 100 I think square in there. So you just click here to put it in there. So we might use something else, so, but make, what is that? There's some error. Okay. Num. Yeah, I don't know. It's something weird with the name calling in here. Maybe because it's the game doesn't give you any name calling. If it's like the same as the main function, or if it's that the name, the name has to be different than the main function and other stuff, you know, built-in name in the game. So we'll figure it out. So another function that I want to do is this side. So I just copy over the big things over there. So you see there's a part that under for loop x, for loop y, and then you know, while. So I want to pluck it out and put it in here, and then put the position in, so that you know, in the parameter. The parameter is in the parentheses of a function calling. So def, move to target, and then parentheses in there. You can add anything that you can use inside a function. Okay, that's called parameter. Parameter is something that you can use inside a function. Say that again. Function is a yes. Okay, yeah. Man, I treat like third grade people. So sorry, my bad. So I just copy this part, and then just paste over here. Then you indent the whole thing. So that's what it is. Now in your mind, we're like, yeah, wow, that's coding, huh? Coding is easy, huh? Yeah. The problem is, first time you had to figure it out the code, then you copy and paste. That's all. But where do you want to copy and paste? That's the point, okay? It's not easy, okay? I'm gonna wait until you figure it out, you know, how to build website by yourself, or mobile app by yourself. Jesus, that's a big project, so I'm not, you know, expect you to, you know, to know all of that. But anyway, let's focus on playing games. So yeah, so just separate it out. Make sure that it's, you know, when you name calling things, you have to name it really short. Okay, so I'm trying right now. So you have to put some parameters so that it work things over here. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, that works magically. So I need something. I need to increase these. Yeah, increase that. Increase more. Okay, this one increase. No. Okay. Expand. We need pumpkins. Okay, so that 200 pumpkins. So need tree. Yeah, I need tree next, but I need to watering the carrot, because the carrot needs to water and is grow faster. Yeah, let's do that. It's 100, right? It's 100. Yep. All right. So watering, you just have some barrels, and barrels cost wood. So we don't have too much wood. So yeah, get water so that we can detect water, and then you can use water, and you have to trade the you have to trade the barrels. Oh no. Okay. I guess I'm gonna do that. So after running multiple cycles, and I have cycles, oxygen not included. All right, so let's do some handling soil, I guess. Yeah. So we gotta separate that soil out of the way, so that we have two problem to solve, not like multiple problem. Like I saw a bunch of YouTube. They are great. They solving problem really great. They have some aspect of this themselves, and they're really good in some stuff that I learned from them. But for me, I have to separate, like, you know, from nothing to 2, from 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. 16 is, you know what I'm saying. So so now I think I'm gonna have soil. So and grass, no, not grass, the something, carrot, and you know, current things. Then you have to have like a semicolon here, and then you down a little bit, and then you do this. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, so same old, just copy over and indents, and you know, make sure that everything is look perfect. Okay, and now we good to go. Okay, one more, and then we just name calling it. So yeah, make sure the name calling is matching so that it's running like really good. So we got 5, right? Yeah, I saw a lot of YouTuber like use like 10 of these windows, and I was like, oh god, no, don't do it. But they got something of themselves, so I can't say nothing, because you know, maybe they have like a professional way. For me, my way is kind of stuck up in one, like 2 problems. I don't know, maybe mine is shorter, but maybe mine is like too long to get it. I don't know, just, you know, maybe their code is like fast, but my code is like you know, slow like hell. So sorry my language, but yeah. So anyway, figured out some stuff. So I think I'm gonna trade some barrels, so I have to you know, name calling bellow. Did I say bellow? Yeah, name calling barrels in here. So and then, do I have a trade function yet? Nope, I'm not. I have to figure it out that later, but I can do step in, like moving to target. So each of them has like let me see, 4x4, that's 16. So if I move back and forth, that's gonna be a lot. So, or I can do something else. So maybe water later, but focus on trading the barrel first. So let me get water over here too. Get some. Okay, and then we gotta say waters. Yeah. Water levels. Okay, so get water, and we got that function right there. Oh, actually, variable right there, not function. So get water is a function. I usually call function or method. Okay, so method is like function, but I'm thinking of method like, oh, you calling method into, you know, variable. So I call that method. Okay. The function is you separate it out from the main function. So it's a function, it's a block of code that you can name calling and use it for everywhere, anywhere. Okay, just like these. Yeah. For water, now let's later. So I got this. So you have to make sure that we have wood. Wood has to be like the amount of wood has to less than, oh wait, what, greater than 1,000, greater than 1,000, then we can do, you know, trading. But if not, then it's gonna, you know, stop that. Let me see what happened now. Well, that's working. So but I wrote a little bit more, so that's an extra thing, so don't worry. I'm gonna delete it anyway. But it's working, and I got like 70. Did I say 70? Yeah, I did. Okay. Oh, I set up 100. Actually 100. Yeah. So it's gonna be really crowded, so I think I mean crowded is the population of empty barrels. No, I have to check the water, not the barrel ones. Yeah, let's see what happened. So yeah, so that way we can control the trading for empty water. So I think, yeah, stop. So I set it for 50, but I need to have wood. Make sure that I don't, you know, accidentally just buy it. Okay, so got barrels 50, I got waters 50. Okay, or I got water 50. What? No, actually that's gonna make up a lot of empty tank. So well, I think this one is so extra, so oh yeah, and I forgot, you have to call the num items to get, you know, those items out of the inventory. Okay, so this one trading, this one watering, just yeah, you know, we got water, so now we can use the water, but tree is the next thing, because we need more woods. That's what it is. We need more woods. We need a lot of woods, lots of them. So we have to figure it out ways. Okay, so I just changed a little bit in soil, so now I have to change in the turf, because, you know, I have to put water in both. So I want to test some theory, like is it watering everywhere or just soil only? So I think I'm gonna put it right here, but I want to detect it to see what happened. Yeah, let's flip. Let me skip this one. So that's worked. So let's click. Okay, so that's 0. I'm trying to figure it out, the water level. So I put water level, and then I put return the number. So they have to use it. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, to use it. All right. So now I figured out, I think I need to figure out the time complexity. So let me explain a little bit time complexity as I wrote over here. So time complexity is a way of calculate speed. Okay, actually considering speed when you're writing program. Okay, when you're writing a code, you write like nested loop. I said nested loop, which is an inner loop, a loop, and then there's another loop just like for x and for y right here. That's gonna cause like big O of n square. So n square means quadratic, right? Quadratic is like increase like really fast, if you know how to draw a parabola. You know what a parabola is? Yeah, there you go. So that's not good. We want linear. We don't want like that, like linear, like O of n or O of 1 constant. Constant is O of 1. Except O of 1, it's just, a simple stuff. But nowadays it's not. You have to consider those things. So I have to change that for loop later on, and then I gotta use the water. Or maybe I use the water and then do that. But I just want to make sure that my code is better code, better performance. That's all. Oh yeah, performance. There we go. Time complexity. So I put water over here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, let me skip this one because this one's so slow, man. Oh, okay. So I thought I can use water, but then something wrong here. Okay, I don't know how to use the water yet, but I think it's just the condition, because I don't worry about that anymore because I need more woods. Woods is so scarce right now. So before you gotta go to wood, tree actually, you have to figure it out, the odd number and the even number. So either way, the odd number, it's just easy. It's just you just take that number and then you mod it. Mod is another thing, like you mod 2 just like you division by of 2. Okay, you division by 2 or you divide it by 2, and if it's like the mod means you have to calculate the remaining after you divide something. You divide by 2, actually. You divide it by 2. Okay, get the remaining number by divided by 2. Okay, if it's 0, then that means you have even number. If it's 1, you have odd number. That's all. So odd number, and then you have to grow as the algorithm like a chessboard or something. I think it's a chessboard. So odd number and even number, right? It makes sense, right? When you mod it out, if you got like the remaining number is equal to 0 or 1. 0 means even, 1 means odd. Okay, just like, for example, if you want number 3, right? If you want number 3, okay, 3 divided by 2, that means you have to take 2, right? And then 3 minus 2, that's 1, right? You know what I'm saying? So let's see the even number, okay? While I'm upgrading these stuff, because I need sunflower. Okay. So one more example. Okay, one more example. 16 divided by 2, that's gonna be 8, right? So 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 minus 16 is 0, right? So that's even number. Odd number is 15. 15 divided by 2, so 2, right? You need what? You cannot have 16, right? Like 8 times 2 has 16. You have to have 2 times 7 is 14, so 14, right? 16, no, not 16. 15 minus 14, that's 1, so that's even number. Odd number. Even number, you divide it equal to 0, the remainder equal to 0. The other one is different. So now I have to add some stuff in the turf there, and then just a bunch of parameter that I pass through, that I pass in the variable. There you go, variables and all kinds of stuff. So tree has to go to that location, oh, and just okay, so you're just checking that. So you're checking that. Oh, and by the way, you return that number means you have to equal that. So you return that is odd or is even. So return that means true or false. That's all. Yeah. So we have to do something over here. Let me think about it. So I did something wrong. So I don't know why it's planting, you know, like the L shape of like the L shape of that grid is tree, but then the other one is like it's full of bushes. So I have to figure out the algorithm here. I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, not if not this, not that, then we can plan tree, and else we can do. Okay, so fairly easy. You just have current x and current y, and then you just put it in the if else, if it's you know, odd for x and then odd for y, or even for x, even for y, and then you plan it. So it's got a plan like this. Yeah, so beautiful, right? Yep. But it's so slow. So let's do it again. Yeah, I had to print out the coordinates to figure it out that. So basically you just figured out the horizontal, you know, the diagonal here. This one, that one, this one, that one, that one, that one. So it's like 0 0 1 1 2 2 4 3 3. That's it. And then the other way is you know, the even number, and then the odd number is over here, even number is over there, and then you got the x, right? Once you got an x, you basically you solve out the whole problems. So basically it's just x and y, and then you compare that to odd number or even number. If they have those, and plant tree. If not, they plant bushes and then harvest it. That's it. I separated out over here too. I trade a little bit over here, so I made a trade function. Also I have like different you know, variable over here, so that I can do that you know, automatically. Maybe I'm gonna sweep them up and move them somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see about it, but separate everything out, and that's looking good. Yes. So upgrading, yeah, we have to upgrade a lot. Okay, because I run this for a while, so I ran it for a while, run this for a while, I complete this for a while, all kinds of sort. You know, just add them up so that they work faster. Oh my god, that's so many. Where do I need to do? I don't know. Basically we finished the tree planting and tree harvesting, so that's good. I might change this one. I might make sure that I have like trading logic or something. I'll make sure that I have trading logic. So right now it's fun, it's working, yay. So let's do the trading logic. So basically trading logic is just you just need to range them at certain you know, a certain amount of things that you want to get. Then you trade them as what it is, and if it's shortage, it's gonna pump up automatically. You don't need to, you know, unless you want to get more, so you just change them the variable, and it's easier, right? So yeah, see about it. So the trading is complete. It's not complete yet, you have to add more, but also one thing is completed too, which is tree. So I have to take you out. Bye bye. Yeah, then I have to wait for I think watering. Yeah, I didn't do any watering yet, but pretty sure I will. The only thing that I need to is I need to upgrade these stuff up, you know, until it's maximum full, Then I could go, you know, down here and do sunflower and stuff. Oh, that's gonna be hard. I want to finish all these trees and stuff, then pumpkins, then sunflowers, you know. Let's see, pumpkins. Yep. And we'll do that later, but not now. I think we have to put in the soil, because I saw a bunch of YouTube. Yeah, that I do by myself. This is no copying things. This is just thinking about that and then do it. Just worked up my mind a little bit. It's been, you know, it's been webbing in my mind for like a year, like 2 years or 3 years now. So I haven't touched any coding, anything. So this is refreshing. You know what I mean? Yeah, my mind is webbing like crazy, like a ghost town. All right. See what happened. It seems like it's faster a little bit because I add a lot of you know, like increase a lot of oh my god, look at that. Okay, and also I remove some you know, unnecessarily code that makes, you know, like do a flip, and you know, I just do one, I don't do it twice anymore. So really fast. But I have to admit, I have to do it one more time. I have to harvest more because, you know, I need more grass than ever. So, let's do that. Thank you. Boop, boop. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a beat. Yeah. Zach, big and all of love. Yeah. I don't really want to make it love. Yeah. Yeah, stupid love. I can kill it. Yeah, I don't want to lick it, but okay. Lick it good. Lick it good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a song out of it. Lick it good. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna do pumpkin now. So pumpkin is really weird, but I do after pumpkin I have to watering everything. So I have to do watering too. So pumpkin is you have to make a giant pumpkin. Then you have to you know, collect it as a giant pumpkin so that you have more pumpkin than ever. Otherwise you're gonna have like one or two. You're wasting time, you're wasting money, you're wasting water too. So yeah, so you have to water a lot. So I don't like handling things. I like planting things. So planting turf, plant soil. I think I said plant in soil, plant in turf or something, but no, just short. Okay, change that. Pumpkins and watering. Here we go. So planting pumpkin, you have to plant in soil. So you have to set it up. First you have to set up water first. So water less than or equal to 0.75 water level. Okay, so water level you get to the method called get water, right? So if that, then you use that water barrels. So put water barrels in there and water barrels here. So I have to add water barrels here. Where do I add it? I add it right here because it's items. So I think I add right here. Okay, water barrels. Okay, so you have to pass this over and then you put it in here. Water barrels here. Okay, so you use water barrel. I forgot water level, so just put water level here and run. Yeah, and put pumpkins here. Let's see, pumpkins here, and you have to do all along. It's just like assembly. You know, you do variable pumpkins. You do you know, moving to that point. Where to go? Oh, soil. Okay, so you go to function oil, soil. You put pumpkin in there, and then you plant pumpkin, and you water pumpkin, then you wait into giant, then you harvest. So that's why you need a lot of these you know, set up here. So basically it. See what happened. I just upgrade a little bit of more, a little bit of this, a little bit of those, and you see it's faster, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, it sounds so good. Yes. Oh, okay, so I think about it, and I just put, you know, like planting to see what happened. So we plant carrot faster, so that's good. So we harvest it as we planted it, so that's working. Okay, and then until you have a big ones, or okay, and then we have to harvest at the end. Yeah, we have to harvest at the end of this as we detect it to be a giant. So we have to have like a toggle variable in here to make it right. Okay, let's do this. So basically I just have to have like a till all. So that's the end of the function. That's the end of the after I'm gonna done with the what is that, with the harvesting pumpkins. So after, okay, then we're gonna loop through, and then we're gonna you know, flip, move forward, flip, and till all of them. So yeah, get them back to you know, before. So it's called reset, but I just call it till all, so it's easier, you know. So I figured out the way of doing doing planting pumpkin and everything, but the till all is working really good. Let me show you this, and yeah, but before that I have to show you this. So you have to clear it right here. I don't know why I just clear it on top, but then I have to clear it on this side so that you know, but I think the top would be practical, you know, running like easy. Yeah, it's running fine, but you know, it's just there. And then you have to figure it out, the x-axis and y-axis, like this. So I want to string it down to one for loop, you know. I don't want a two for loop. That's, you know, that's crazy, but this is what I think of. So you divide it, means you go horizontal, and then you you know, mod it, I guess. You go vertical. So and it worked perfectly for this. I don't know why I cannot apply this to other for loop, you know, like these loop. So for this one, I have to check everything. I have to move every single little square here. I have to move every single. Then I have to check, oh, this one has pumpkin, this one has pumpkin, this one has pumpkin. If it's not, then you do, you know, you plant it until you get into like this last one. So the for loop, nested for loop, that's mean you get to here, and if it's, you know, if it's a big giant things, then you harvest at the end. So that's what the longest line of these soil planting kind of pumpkin here, right here. Yeah, as you can see right now. So after carrot running, I just want to return it so that I know exactly where it is. So yeah, so it's planting. You see it planting. It's harvesting the carrot, and it's planting, and it's scanning. There we go. Scanning, it's filling in the blank, still scanning, because it's not a big things anymore. Now it's big things. Now it's scan one more time, and then at the end it's harvest. So it's flipping back, which is a till all function. Okay, so that's way we can check, you know, like like one last check to see, oh, this one is this giant potato is big. So I unlock a lot of stuff, sunflower things and stuff. So I didn't record it because I think people were like, you're lazy, or maybe people are like, yeah, I don't want to see about it, but I don't want to see it anyway. So I just get here to here to here, right? Now I have to update a little bit. I got multi-trade. I got lists already. Yeah. Now I have to figure it out. Sunflower. Yeah, so sunflower. And then dictionary and fertilizer. I need to go to dictionary for sunflower. Okay, I think dictionary for cactus, but I just want to get sunflower and then that and then fertilize. So there's a lot of things I have to put it on, but upgrades. So I expand a little bit, so as you can see, it's like 6 to 6, and it's checking. Okay, this is a big one, so checking. This is a big one, so it's harvest, and then tilted. Then we do it one more time, then we do it twice, then we do it third time. So I don't think my way is the way that you guys should go. Oh, something wrong here. Yeah, I didn't reset. Yeah, I didn't reset. So let's stop this one. No, I didn't reset. Oh, okay, so I make it bigger. Yeah, I just keep expanding, and it's look cool. Look at that. Yeah, too many things, I have to admit, yeah, it's gonna be a long videos. I know, it's stressful, but I wanna, like, episode 1 has to be full episode, like full playthrough. So just bear with me on this board here, and you will get bored because all of this code right here, I haven't explained it to you anyway, but I have to test all these stuff before I introduce it to you. So bear with me, okay? Bear with me. So let's just take a look at this one. So this one right here is the functionary of, you have to get it true. Just like that, you have to get it true here and false here. If it's a giants, then switches false and switches true actually, and then a trigger over here, and then you can break that. Need to till. All right, so you break down here as if it said, oh, it's true. So it's true, huh? Break down, and then you twist, you toggle it, and then you reset the whole position. So yeah, that's the thing. Until all it is, you know what it is. Okay, so if it's turf, then you flip, and if you're not turf, then you clear, right? I mean, switch it. If you're soil, you flip it. If you not, then whatever. Yeah, so there we go. And then I add watering in it, so it's working. And also this one is 9 by 9 now, I think. 10 by 10, 9 by 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 by 9. So you just do that. You just right until it's bigger. As I show you before, right? There's a section that I have to move. I have to add the nested loop, move it, then checked it one more time. That part is checking one more time. Oh, it is big guy. So then do that. Now we have to do back. You see? Now we have to plan and flip, right? I did unlock some stuff like sunflower and stuff. I want to put it in here, but not right now. And I unlocked the fertilizer too. So as you can see over here, there's a bunch of them fertilizers and stuff. Follow creating whatever yada. Okay, so I haven't focused on anything yet, but just unlock things accordingly. An expansion, pumpkins and all the stuff I didn't upgrade fully, so I will, but not now. I need more more resources, so we'll see about it. Oh, I ran a couple of time and I got multiple things, so now I want to introduce you to maize. And I want to get maize, but I have to get sunflower and I have to plant sunflower and everything. So and I have to unlock everything. So I already maxed out tree. I didn't max out this, so I have to max out that. I already maxed out grass. I just did max out the carrot. I think I'm gonna max out speed. That's the next thing. And expand. I think I'm gonna max out expand. That one and pumpkins. Yes, and pumpkins. Let's get some of them done. And cacti, no, that's different. So we deal with that again. So don't worry about it. So as the trading items getting bigger and bigger, I have to make sure that I have a trading items and trading logic. So I'm gonna do it right now. It's just a bunch of copy and paste. As you see my trading section, right? So you just copy it and paste over here. That's all. But you have to add more parameter and stuff as such in the program that we already use or we already implement over here. It's called implement. Okay, so you have to put this one in the rank over here, and then you put this guy under him, and there you go. I didn't get a trading logic, but it's fine. It's fine. Trading logic is just if you're not equals to the max, then you have to max out whatever the max is. So that's the multi-trade, actually. So I don't want to call different names, but I just call it trading logics. Now I have to separate things out. So this one is progress of several planting situation or planting ground things. Trading is different, and moving and logics is the other thing over here, so small. Maybe the logic I can put it in the main program. I don't know, see what happened. Oh, I don't need to do flipping over this tree things anymore, because I think I do a flip so that I can I can make it I can wait for tree to to grown up, and then but I don't need it. I need 2 flip, that's all. Maybe 1 flip. Yeah, after harvest the grass. Yep. It's faster. Yep. Okay, so now I have to implement list. Oh, and by the way, I unlocked list. I didn't say that at the beginning, but yeah, I unlock list, and I want to build some list here, but maybe later. But sunflower first. So I don't know. Until this point, after recording a lot and cutting a lot. I don't know what to do now, but I just want to read through this and see what happened. It's just array. They call it list, but in a software world, we call array. So we just use some array to arranging some stuff, and you know, append or pop or do a bunch of you know, like organizing kind of, or storing or memorying. Okay, I call memoryings. So remember things for us. Sunflower, on the other hand, is so different. So you have to have, you know, fertilizer. You have to, you know, tilt it, and add it into the soil here. So maybe I'm start doing that for variable. Oh, and by the way, I separate the variable to each of the. I will, not now, but trading. I need to have a certain amount of sunflower seed. So just get sunflower seed and put it in, just like them. So you need a number of sunflower seed. You need a maximum of sunflower seed, and then you trade for sunflower seed. Yep, yeah. And then you have to have like a sub conditions, like for example, maybe carrot has to, you know, because sunflower seed caused by carrot. Okay, so if carrots go down, we're not gonna do it. There we go. Okay, so sunflower needs to be okay, so number of petals. Okay, so we need a min and max. I don't know we unlock that or not. Let me see what happened. So trading logic, yeah, just do a bunch of you know, adding things and waiting for, you know, a bunch of running and stuff. But I need to add like restore logics, which mean like, for example, you get it down like a lot, right? So at some point in time, your code breaks or whatever. You have to have an alternative. So this type of thing is helps you to you know, get to the certain point. For example, you get sunflower seed getting to 0, so you want 1,000 right away, right? So you just do a comma, trade comma, you know, a max number of sunflower seed, for example. And when you set 0, when you get 0, then you have 1,000, right? You need 1,000, right? It's by like like immediately is buy for you, so 1,000 seed. So you don't need to worry about, you know, sorted amount of seed. So I just add this one, I just add that one. So hopefully you guys can understand what I'm doing here. So this is restore logic here, and then you put the same thing here, and yeah, and basically you put here, and you put the number, the max number, actually the max number of those. Put the max number here, put number there, and then you basically it. But you have to do something else like max do this, and then set the max. Also you have to add this one. I don't think I'm gonna do this for all of them, but I'm gonna separate things out later on. But right now, yeah, right now, for the fertilizer too, so you put fertilizer in here, then you get the number, you know, maybe not number, but you could do like so. Yeah, so number this, number that, then fertilizer, then you put fertilizer here, you know, then the max fertilizer. I'm thinking of, you know, separating stuff out, so I did separate them out, because every single little you know, planting plan here, you have to make sure that you are you know, separate them out, because it's easier for you know, for set it up for not letting things get into a way of the other things. So put it there. Put in the different variation of plans. So that you don't worry about it anymore. This type of thing here, I don't like it because you have a better way. You have a better way to do this, but I think my way is just a primitive way. So yeah, don't yell at me. So I do the same thing as fertilizers. So yeah, just make sure. And of course, don't forget to comments. Okay, comments everything. So that makes your code looks professional. Also makes your code you readable. You go line by line and then you hit comments. Yay! The best thing of software engineer is like when you read a comment and then you understand the comment, you go right away and then you like bam, there's the work. You know what I mean? But there are some comments that your coworker will like, yeah, I'm lacking, you just figure it out by yourself, and then you're like, F you, I'm out of here, I'm gonna open my company. Yeah, so please write comments, okay, so that people can understand what you want me to do. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay, so I finished this, I finished that, I finished all of these, I finished tree, I finished carrot, I finished all that. So the only thing is down here and also over here. I want to open that, but I have to farm sunflower, yeah, and fertilizers. So let's see what happens. So I think used fertilizer inside the water should be working fine. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happened. So I finished upgrade the last expand level. So I maxed out the level. I mean the expansion. So this is what it takes to run the whole thing. You see? Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, look at that. Juicy loot. Yep. And then you fill out that, and then you scan one more time, and then you're done. So yeah, let me show you a little bit about my code. So this is a soil right now. So I separated out, you see, as you can see, the giant pumpkin. So I will show you by circling some stuff here. So see what happened. So this part is watering and fertilizing plants. So and by plants I mean pumpkins. So as you can see, pumpkins. So this one is just harvest and planting the carrots. So this carrot sections. So this one is the pumpkin section. So you just make sure that it's giant pumpkin. So true. Then you have to make sure that you loop through, and then you scan through the whole thing until you find out, oh, this is a big giant pumpkin. And so harvest it and return till all and finished. That's all. And I guess I'm finished the fertilizer, so that's great. Now just sunflowers. Cool. Oh, would you look at that? Oh yeah. It's a little bit slow in the beginning, but it's faster. Oh yeah. It's just chilling, man. Chilling. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna make coffee and then I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah. Now you're gonna plant sunflower seeds. So I mean sunflowers. So there's three things. There's three things. Okay, there's three things. Oh man, my Chinese comes out. So there's three things. Okay. First you plant it. Second you have to calculate the petals. Maximum petal first, then gets the least, right? Then get the rest of them. So from the maximum petals to the minimum petals. Okay. Then just harvest. Yeah, the maximum first, then gradually go to the minimum or decreasing the number of petals. So what you do is you have to have a function called calculations sunflower. But first I have to test the theory, like maximum petal and stuff. So let me figure it out, because I wrote a little bit over here. Yeah, that's a lot, but it doesn't work out, so see about it. Okay, so there's some certain things that I want to tell you before I let you see the sunflower. So I traded. Yep, I traded a lot, and also I restored it a lot. If it's hit 0 right here, sunflower seeds, right? So now the function here is in the plant soil, but over here you didn't change anything. You just add a bunch of stuff, and also I add a bunch of things over here and things over there, but it's working. So where's sunflower? Right here. So I had to figure it out when we're gonna farm sunflowers. So I think right after right after carrot, but right now I just farm as much as possible. So I don't mind. Let's just farm a little bit, and to show you guys what I have done, so line by line. Okay, so if there's a sunflower, then I good, but the part of things here is the pumpkin and the carrot, because they just interfered. It's run simultaneously, so they just interfered whatever I want to do. So and I have to restrict it with some range, not ranch, range here, so that they stop doing things and focus on just sunflower. Likewise, okay, likewise, sunflowers has a range too. So basically you just go ahead and take a look on the code, and then you understand. So you have to find a max, you have to plant the sunflower. You have to, basically the top part is easy. The second that's the top part right here. You have to run, then you make sure the true toggle, whatever, like it's the same thing as giant things, the giant pumpkins, but you have to set up a lot of stuff like measuring, and then it's the petal is between 7 and 15, then go ahead and store it in the sunflower petals list. Okay, and then you have to figure it out how to use it, and also how to harvest it. So next step is harvesting. Yeah, so these steps are pretty nice. And the last part is to for example, if you want to exit the the board right here, for example, you think that there's nothing like to do, you just click on the minimum, you just harvest the minimum petal, and then it automatically is reset the whole thing. But that one is not it's not good enough. I have to figure it out more. Also these variable I just distributed evenly over, you know, over the course, over the right here and then right there and then over the plants. I just distribute. Also everything is the same. There's nothing I can do now. Yeah, I just want to farm more sunflower or sun power. Yeah, so make things faster. I had to figure out more. Okay, I had to figure out more for sunflowers. Sunflowers is a lot, you know. Cacti and other stuff is a lot too. So we'll think about it. Yeah, and make sure that you have like 1 million over there, like there's the simple stuff, 1 million, and you need 1 million for the sun power, so you don't care anymore, you know. It's basically, it means infinity, right? Infinity. Yep. So look at that. Sounds so good. All right, so you plan all of these guys, and then you go through, right? And then you see, oh, which one is the biggest one? There you go. And then biggest one. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you know, and then you go to next big things. Okay, so not big, like large amount of petals, and then you plant it down. Once you plant it down, you know exactly where it is. So you just scan, kaboom. You scan over one more time, and then there you go. There you go. Yep, and that's how it is. It's gonna run forever. But this case, I don't like it, so I have to you know, like reset, because there's a minimum amount of you know, petals, and there's a minimum amount of sunflower that has big petals, so you know, just cancel it. And then yeah, and then I have to figure it out more. Okay, I want to go to maize, but you know, I got more stuff on top. So like speed doesn't max out, sunflower doesn't max out thing. So I think I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it again sometime. Okay, let's see what I did. Okay, so harvest this. Yes. I'll try to suppress the or decrease the you know, amount of everything, so that or increase the maximum of everything. So I want to see the flow, you know. So first we get the grass, and then we plant the bushes and trees, and then you do that, and then you flip the tiles or ground when you harvest things, and you're watering while you're doing this. You see, it's faster, right? So then you're gonna harvest whatever the maximum is, then plant the carrot, and you have to, because there's no other way. And then you harvest whatever, and then you just plant the pumpkins, and then you hit whatever it is, and then you plant everything else. So at least you have, you know, some carrot, you know. And then you got the big things. Ooh, wow, big. And then kaboom, there we go. And then you flip it back. There we go. So I don't like it, but it's working, and it's running for a while. So I'm gonna run for more, and then I'll figure it out, you know, the maize and stuff while I'm doing this. But I'm not gonna do polyculture, because polyculture, I don't know. See what happened later, but not now. But you know, I try to break the games. I don't want to, you know, try to use all of them, use all the unnecessarily, necessarily, or available on the board, or available on the unlocked tech tree. So there's more. So please wait. You know what time it is? Time for max out this thing. So yeah, the speed. So I don't know. I want to do this, but also I want to do this. Yeah, I want to do maze. But you know. Yeah, I clicked it. Oh no, I clicked it. Okay, so the maze. You see that? You see that? Amazing, right? Oh, amazing. Okay, so the maze is just why I'm talking in Elvish? Okay, so basically the maze will appear when you fertilize the tree, right? Bushes, yes. So we got incredible amount of grasses and stuff. So we gonna, I don't know, we're gonna try, maybe. But I have to fertilize the bushes. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so you have to bring out the planting turb, and as you can see, I unlocked the maze. So the basic thing is you just you just use the fertilizer, and then you once you plant it down, the bushes and stuff. So you plant it down, you use that, and then once you harvest it, you got what you need. So now you have to create a function called solve maze. Okay, solve maze, right? Yeah, and then you get whatever henge, and then you if it's treasure, then harvest. If you henge, then you move. Okay, so there's a lot of movement here. So let me try, and I'll show you. I think I need a turning logic. Yes. So either you go left or right. Yeah, either you go left or right. You have a calculating kind of right here. So why don't we not gonna use it, right? So I'm gonna use it for index, and yeah, just turn left and right, and then you got like turning logic. So and then we're gonna apply it here. So don't worry, I figured it out. Okay, so be patient. Yeah, you guys like be patient, my ASA ho. Okay, so why don't you just explain, like right now, because it's been 2 hours of this goddamn it's like a movie right now. So please just skip as much as you can. Don't just say a bunch of things, man, and then put music on. God dang, loud noises like you make like that. Okay, so please just do it. I was like, okay, snap a finger of Thanos, I will do it. So I have to address a little bit. Okay, so this part right here, I think I did it right, because I used the logic that the description provide, right? Turn left to right. You mod it out because you have 4 ways, right? But in this case, you have to unlock the dictionary, because I didn't show you guys doesn't mean I didn't do it. Okay, I will show you guys. Okay, so you have to unlock that in order to do this. So you put in directions. Okay, the first line. Okay, then you put south, east, west, whatever. Then you put the direction index. So you start at 0. Okay, so now you gotta run the whole thing to figure it out. Oh, is it treasure? If it is treasure, if it's not treasure, then you move. You have to move, right? You have to move to certain point that you get the treasure, Then you put it in. You harvest it, and then you said, oh, return true. Then you increment that that thing, that or update the direction index. Okay, or else if it's not in that in that directions, like the direction index is not direction in there, so you just update it. Okay, then you return false, of course. And to show you that, I put it in the solving maze. I put it right to, right under the till program. So should be good. Yeah, and then you just clear everything. Yeah, you just clear everything. If it's true, if it's solved the maze, if it is solved, the maze is solved, then you're done. Yeah, I just wait 5 more minutes for you guys, so don't worry, I'll make up for you. Okay, I'll make up. Okay, I'll make up for you. But I think you don't need to, unlock the this dictionary, because you just use. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I said use dictionary. You just use the array, the list. Then you can do whatever it is. Well, I'm checking things over here like nonsense. God dang it. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Sorry. So I'm talking about update the direction index, right? So it's just calculation from turn left or turn right on the logic. So don't worry, it's not big deal. But once it's calculate, it's gonna get out the number like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, equivalent to the direction list that you have right there. So north, south, east, whatever. And then it will automatically move for you. And I didn't demonstrate that, so I will. So this is what it is. Oh shoot, I forgot. Okay, so it's running, you see. Just get whatever it is. And then it's running. Okay. And then you go, ooh yeah. And then you're running. And then you go, come on. Don't make me feel shame, man. Come on, man. Just yep, and then you go, ooh. Okay, yeah. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's not. But you need how much? That's what you need, right? How much do you need, right? So that's what you guys want to ask. I'm answering, okay? You need like a 1 million chest, golden chest. Yeah, 1 million. I said it. 1 million. I said it. 1 million. 1M. Okay, I said it. Okay. So then don't ask why. Why did you need all of that? Yeah, because I need all of that because it's here, right here. Speed done automatically. I need more goddamn sunflowers. Okay. And here, there we go. Sunflowers. You need 1K. God dang it. And then next thing you need 2K. You see? Here, 2Ks. Dictionary. Here. No, not this one. Sorry. Maze. You just do it. Yeah, max it. Yeah. So, what else? Cacti. Yeah, there we go. What else? Debugging. Yeah, dictionary. Yeah. So you need 1 mil to do it, and also you have to, buy cacti's, seed. So you need chest to buy it. And if you don't have enough, you're gonna short it out. So you have to reset the whole thing. You have to reset the whole games. Yeah, so that's why I promised you guys that I will print it out. I will give it out to you guys. The game that with coding. There you go. But I have to play 3 times. Reset 3 times because I messed up. Didn't follow the instruction, and also didn't follow what? Didn't follow my stupid ego. So yeah. So why I'm mad? Why I'm out of nowhere? Oh, I'm crazy, man. I'm crazy. I'm crazy in love, but love doesn't crazy in me. So, is this all right? No. Yeah, I'm cray. So, yeah. Call me cray. Get it? Cray. No. Okay. All right. So, let it run and let's see what happened. Okay, OneNote here. You have to max out everything, and then you have to have dictionary, okay, for the cacti, okay, you have to have cacti. Don't unlock this, okay, don't unlock it, because you unlocked it, you cannot get any of the chest, okay. Go to chest. Don't unlock these three, okay. These three are the killing zone. You can unlock this, okay? So, you basically just do cacti. So, cacti is very easy, but you have to do more so that you have dinos. You have dinosaurs, eggs. Yes, dinosaur and star. Okay. Man, that sounds like Chinese, but a little bit Japanese in there. God dang it. Why? I'm so talented. Oh my God, I'm so lonely. Yeah. I'm self-esteem myself. Get it? Self-esteem. I don't know what to do. Pray? Pray? No. Yeah. Sometime. Yeah, and then you just upgrade everything. Don't do this, okay? Remember, don't do that. You can do this. Okay. Alright. Don't do it. Okay. Don't do anything else, but not doing this. Okay. Remember. Yeah, I got a feeling that you guys would say, hey, if Kevroo, if you say one more time, I'm gonna slap the heck out of you. Yeah. Sorry, just so hype. Just yeah, it's okay. Never mind. We'll figure it out. So the benchmark is just you just detect things for you, and also you want to adjust the speed of drone and the time of harvesting and etc. It's like you play with the world. You like a god, and then you just manipulate all of the things. But the benchmark is working as a calculating steps. So I got a bunch of here. So you have to start the step, and then start the benchmark, and then you calculate the step, the count, like how many steps you have, and then just print it out, and then you see. I'll show you. Here, it's it will print it out after last one. You say, oh my god, it's like 120 something step. Oh god. And then you have to do like boom, and then you have to do like each of these time when you clear the board, when you do the you plan things, you have to reduce that amount of step, because it's gonna get really crazy. Yeah, you see, it's like 990 something. Oh my god, 1,000. Oh man, if you want to build a board like that, I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, so maybe polyculture is gonna come in and help you guys out. I think so. For me, I unlocked this, so I couldn't get any more. I maybe I'm gonna reset and do something else, do some more. So yeah, this is the 4th time I reset things, because I automatically unlock costs. I have to do cactus first, then unlock those things. So accidentally. Okay, say about it. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. So you have to change all this to object, because it's easier for you guys to take, like looking at and use it. I'm not recommend. You can use the like a variable and stuff. But professionally, okay, you could use that for these guys. But I just want them, flexing a little bit, make all this variable as a object, because I don't want to, I just want to name calling things. I don't want to, but you shouldn't do that, because it's so extra, like extra work. So no, don't do it. Don't put more extra work. For me, I have to put it in because viewers, right? And also subscribers. So please subscribe. I need 500 subscriber. Right now I have 29. God dang it, man. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? I need 500 more. I need views and I need subscribers. Okay, so you have to change all this. So if you do that, you have to change all that to like name calling, and then you have like brackets and like that, and then you just call it as a string. So because you object is like pair, value pair or something. There's a word for it. So you have to use the like, for example, max hay. You have to use max hay. You cannot use, you can use the other one too, like thousand or millions, but it's not specific. You use max hay, and then you use code, like just like that. You just access the object, okay, to get the number out of it. Or you can reverse. You can take that number and then get the goal out of it. But yeah, in this case, we need a number. We don't need the name. Okay. So yeah, it's like a dictionary. Yeah, like you go through and then you're like, oh, where is gold? And you get gold. So yeah. So did you know how much amount of hours I have to put it in? Let me see. I put straightly. Okay, if I calculate it right, okay, probably a month. Yeah, a month. Yes. This is, did I start it? Okay, a month. Okay, AMOTH. Forget about an N between those words. Okay, not moth, month. Okay. And then I have to cut all this to, 2 hours. A month in 2 hours. God dang it. Woo. I'm horny. Okay, so I clear out all the board. Yay! But the cacti. Yes, I want to show you guys cacti because I skip a lot. And then I messed up. I had to reset. I had to do all that, and then I had to copy over all this code, and then I had to run it, and I had to make sure that everything is good. So now it's freely run. So let me show you the animation first. So the cacti is distributed really good. I got 9.10k of seed. Yeah, I had to make that much so that I can writing the code, because you have only 100 and then you write a code, failed, you're done. So I need 10,000. So the code is basically very, very easy. So let me hold it right here so that I can show you more. Okay, so basically you need to you need to have a brain of a scientist, so no, I'm sorry. It's just stupid. Yeah, wasting so much time. So there. Okay, so first of all, you have to have like a little bit of background in data structure and algorithm. Okay, so I just want to talk about algorithm and data structure. So this is called sorting. It's some sort of sorting. It's not like sorting. Okay. I can wait until you get to dinosaurs, so you will figure it out what is DFFs is. So let me focus on here. So basically you have the first part, you know what it is, right? You name colon, the size of the world. Okay, that's done. You get a cacti array, which is a storage. Okay, just like you building a box. Okay, you put cacti in, cactuses, polatices. Okay, cactuses. Okay, so you put cactuses in there, and then you put you know what? You have to loop. You have to loop through the whole board. Okay, you move the whole board. Yeah, just like managing the carrots, pumpkins, and everything. So you have to move the whole board. Okay, so that's function for possession, for pose in whatever range. Okay, y divided by that, move to the target. So yeah, there you go. Right. But before that, you had to pass in the total and the number of cacti. Okay, so number of cacti is just you know, just a name, but I said number of cacti, just a name. Okay, so now you gotta go down. Okay, you gotta go down to this regions and let me take a breath. Okay, so it just figured out, oh, is it cacti? It's not cacti, then plant. Yeah, it's not cacti, then plant. So once you plant it down, and you have to measure what size of the cacti. So in this one is like a combination of sunflower and pumpkins and carrots. Okay, so carrots is just, you just plant it out and then you wait until it grow and then you do that, right? Cacti is the same thing. You have to wait until it grow, and then you figure out the size as same as petals in harvesting, you know, sunflower. So sunflower petals, this cacti is a size. So if you have 10 size and you have to sort it out, you have to swap it, right? So you have to swap it at the end or whatever you want, like the end of the corner or whatever. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. So so you have to measure that size, and then you make sure that the whole board is gonna be sorted out, and then you do the harvesting, right? You do the harvest just like pumpkins. So you have to wait until giant pumpkin, then you harvest, right? So this one you have to sort it out like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, like that, and then you figure it out. So now you put the size in with the position so that we can swap it later, and size of the cactus and the position of it of the current position, okay, of those cacti in. So you put it in the bucket, right? You put it in the bucket, so cacti. So now you go down in while loops, right? Nested loop. Okay, so you nested, which is you have you sorted it, not nested. Yeah, sorry, my screen's too far away from my eyes. So you sorted it? Nope, you're not. So you get in. Yeah, if you're not sorted it, you get in, right? So you get in. What you do? Do you swapped? No. It's sorted. It's true now. Yeah, right now you're in. So now you're sorting. So you have to loop it again. You have to move it, to the current, to the next one. Then you do what? You do the swapping. Okay, say that to me. Swapping. No, okay, I'm sorry. So you swapping. So what do you want to swap? So you measure west, south, east, whatever, to y, x plus whatever the calculation gave it to you. Okay, and yeah, and then if you have a cactus size, then put it there, and then you move accordingly, and you said sort complete, which is false, and that's what we go to the next one. Okay, so sort, Then yeah, I just want to let you guys see clearly. Okay, so you have to measure whatever it is, and you -1, you +1, you x, and you y, whatever it is right here. So the n-1 is just the last things in there, and then the 0 is just, you know, the first thing. So basically it's just left and right. So, you know, if you want to move all of this cactus to the side to the last bit, so like 10-10, the coordination 10-10, there you go. So this is the maximum to the smallest, as you can see, right? So it's just swapping things, that's all. Yeah. And there's a bit that I have to show you. So the dinosaur, I unlocked it, so I just increasing it, and leaderboard is different. Oh, there you go, I'm maxed out. So yeah, just do a couple of these, and we got what we need. So dinosaurs, yes. Okay, we have to trade for eggs, and then we use the eggs. Okay. So group of 4. Okay. Okay. So I had to figure out the cost and auto unlock things too. So that's gonna be a full episode again. So this one episode 1, but I make it full episode 1. Okay. Everything is nicer. Everything is, I put it in the stack of things here. So let's move it over here, and I changed a lot. I changed all of the names and stuff. So managing you know, carrots, that, and I follow the, you know, the line by line, which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, you know, like those type of thing, organizes. So I change every bit of these so that I don't need too much you know, variable, so or object. So yeah, and I did write a lot of things here, which is for the unlocking. So and they don't have a way to chop it down. So let's do the dinosaur and then get that done, and see what happened. Oh, dino, just you just, you know, you just add things in here in the dictionary. So the max item and the items, and all the way to others items too. So to others, you know, files too. So how many files I have? Like a lot, like 20 maybe. Yeah. So you have to edit all of them, even the main too. Maybe I have to figure it out a way to, you know, like just use only one file, and then, you know, distribute to everything. So yeah, because sometimes they have similar things, you know, like in C, in language C, okay, or Java, right? We have something called what's that called? The it's called interface. Okay, interface is like you just narrow down, bottleneck down whatever similar to every single files, and then you put it in there to interface, and every single time you call that interface, it's gonna pop out all of the function for you, all of the you know, things that you think is gonna be bottleneck up or bottleneck down or whatever. Yeah, something like that. So I think maybe next video I have to figure out a lot of stuff, so that and then I'll make sure that I you know, revise everything looks neat and nice and posted on GitHub. So yeah, I said it, GitHub. If you are a software engineer, you know GitHub so well, right? So I'm gonna post it on there. This video is already privileged for me, so nobody gotta copy it. Yeah, this is my code. Okay. So first we have to have a function name manage dino, right? And then the same thing, you have to trade, right? So yeah, use cacti to trade. So and don't forget the restore inventory. So you have to add this one in, and then you have to edit the trade in trade logic too. So yeah, that's it. And then you have to modify every single thing. But that's good. You have to modify it. You have to not modify, add more stuff into the trading logic. Also, you have to do other stuff too, like you have to do the same to other files. So that's how it is. Basically, you do this to the main. Then you do like trade a little bit first. Trade little eggs for now. Yeah, so that we have the character on top of the inventory. So there we go. So I mean, this is what you should see, and you have to print it out, all of the dinos on the board. And let me explain this to you guys first, and then we go back to observe that. So so let me explain a little bit about this code. Okay, so managing dinos. So it's easy. It's just a combination of carrot, sunflower seed, cactus, and pumpkins. Yeah, so all four to do this kind of dinos. Okay, so first thing first, you have to have the whole world 10 by 10 grid kind of. Okay, you have to have a size of the world that you want to go. Okay, you want to do with. Okay, you want to have sex with. Okay, so then you gotta move. Yeah, you gotta move. You're gonna move across the whole grid, and you're gonna plan it out, the dinosaur. Because if you don't plan it out, how you gonna you're gonna group them, and then you're gonna harvest them. Okay, so you gotta go every single square, and then you're gonna put every single eggs in there, and then let them hatch to become a dinos. Okay, so you have a world full of dinos. Okay, just like this. All right, then clear my throat. Okay, then you gotta apply a little bit of data structure here. So you need a set visit. Okay, you need a set name visited. Okay, I think this is BFS or some, I don't know, I have to take a look. Okay, but you need a set. Actually has set, actually not BFS or anything. I think BFS, but we gotta use DFS, not BFS, because we use stack down there. So anyway, sidetrack. Okay, then you have a visit, then you have a group of dinosaurs, then you move to the whole grid. Okay, easy, right? Move to the whole grid, then you measure it, which type is dinosaur is. I don't know why we use that all the time. Measure which type of dinosaur. We gotta get that, and then we have to ask, does it has any dinosaur on the board? Okay, if it doesn't, then you have to go and take X and Y. Okay, then you compare it inside the visit. Okay, so now you gotta find a group. Okay, you gotta find a group. So how you gotta find a group? Okay, you gotta go down to the group function here, which is you gotta use DFS, because DFS use stack. Okay, vertically. Okay, so stack means lethal, which is last in first out. Q means FIFO, so first in, first out, right? We're not gonna use first in, first out here because you know, you're gonna stack them up and then you're gonna harvest them as a group, right? Not whereas FIFO, you have to go, you know, in line, one line by line, which is, I don't know. But to be fast, you have to do that. You have to do this, okay? Then you gotta go and you have a group, okay? You gotta return that group last, okay? Then you gotta do stack, okay? You have to have a stack with Y and X in it, okay? Coordination. Then you gotta loop through all this. You gotta pop out the Y and X, right? Which is if you have something in the stack, you have to pop out X and Y, and then you compare that to visit. Oh, if it is visit, then if it is inside a visit, so which is you are already visit, then you continue. You go down, okay? You go down, and then you move, and then you do a bunch of grouping, okay? So you group means you add it into the group, okay? You add X and Y to the group. But also you have to add whatever the dinos on the left, you have to add it dinos on the right, and then you write dinos on the left, and then you have to add dinos on the right. You get it? Nope. Okay, if you add up and down, then you have to down and up, you know? Get it? Nope. Okay. Yeah, so figure it out that, and then you figure out everything. So once you add all that in the group, okay? All that in the stack, okay? Now, funny part, you gotta return the group. That's it. Then you go back to the main point here, which is you see how large of the group. Then you're gonna add it to yeah, you're gonna add a bunch of it. Then you're gonna add into the group dinos, and then you're gonna harvest it. So you gotta loop it again, find that group, and then you gotta harvest. Thank you. Okay, I think that's the end of the videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel, also hit the like button, and comment down below if you see my videos really insulted you, or not insulted, or maybe just like is so badly making in the way of production badly. Okay, so then tell me why you hated me. So if you don't hate me, please just see those dinos. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. And there's a lot of black dinos, so we're gonna harvest that. Yep, yeah. And then there's a lot of white dinos. We're gonna harvest that. So anyway, leaderboard, just finish that, and then we closing up. Okay, subscribe. Thank you, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful year, have a wonderful month, have a wonderful hour, have a wonderful, you get it. Please subscribe to my channel, also hit the like button. Okay, again, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I need 500 subscribers now. Otherwise I'm not gonna stream. So yeah, no, I will, but it's a long journey to you know, to do that. So thank you, and hopefully you have a wonderful, great day. And I did said that. Why I keep saying things? Come on, man, just say bye. Yeah, say bye.